Good morning, friends. I have read a book called Person of Your Dream, a step by step guide to achieve your goals, written by Mr. Azaz Kazi. I know Azaz since my Voltas days, late maybe 2005. I know he is having multiple skills, but I was not aware about his this particular writing skill. I purchased this book immediately upon I came to know that he has written this book. I have decided to read it over a weekend for a few weeks, but I was surprised. The moment I have started to read it, I have finished it in one go. It was so connecting because I also have just started to pursuing my own dreams after 18 years in field working with some companies. I have read a lot of books on the similar topics like Think and Grow Rich, Alchemist, but all those books having very deep scientific approach and to understand that you may have to read again and again to understand the concept and then you can implement it. But this particular book written by Azaz is really very simple and easy to understand. He's not gone in too much scientific way. He has just spill out his own heart, his own experience, which he has achieved throughout his 25 years or maybe more years on the field itself. So basically, whatever the ideas or concepts or rules which he has talked about in his book, where he has given step by step, each his chapter is basically one step to move on the second one. It is basically what his experience, and definitely it is full marks to him for his this simple and honest approach and attempt. Second thing, this book is not particular for one generation or particular one field. This is particular for anybody or any age who is trying or trying to achieve something in his life. I request all my friends, whether it is offline or online, to have this book in their library and keep as a Bible. You can easily adopt the concept which he has talked about in this book. It is a must read book by all. Thank you, Azaz, to give this superb book, and I am sure the second book which you have written that also will be the definitely the same or maybe much more to get it from it. Best of luck and thank you all.